This is the first video of a lathe restoration series that I'm doing. And in this video, I will be taking apart the lathe and getting all the pieces ready for the paint. I recently got this old lathe from my uncle, and I believe it's Seneca Falls star lathe, but I'm not positive. And it came without all of the threading gears, but it's more than enough for my needs. Here I'm using an angle grinder to remove most of the paint. I'm sure there's better ways to do this, like paint stripper or something like that, but I just used what I had at the time. Here I'm using a wire wheel to remove all the paint, and I made sure to wear a thick jacket, otherwise it's not fun picking out wires out of your arm a week later. I didn't really have any good clamps to hold everything down while taking the paint off, so I did my best to secure all the pieces without them flying off the table. Like right here, there was a hole on top of this piece of wood, so I decided to screw in the bolt from the tailstock to secure it as much as I could, because it was kind of awkward to hold. Here I'm using a vapor rust to clean up most of the smaller pieces. I soaked everything in the solution for a couple hours, or until I thought that the solution dissolved most of the rust. I saw a few people filling in small holes or crevices in old machinery with some like filler putty or Bondo, so I thought I'd give it a try. Looking back at this, I would skip this step, or at least I should have put a very thin coat of Bondo on it, because you don't need much to fill all the holes. I put way too much on it, and ended up scraping most of it off anyway, but it did help make some of the pieces look really smooth in the end. So that concludes video 1 for the series. Thank you all for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you'd all subscribe and like this video, and see you next time.